Hello! I don't know why I'm shouting.
You join us from Northumberland.
Yes, we've gone somewhere different for a little trip this time. We've never been to this neck of the woods before, have we?
So far, although we've only just got here a couple of hours. Wow.
That's stunning, yeah. The coastline is really stunning. One of those places that I've sort of overlooked in the past, because Cumbria, the Lake District, Scotland, Wales, Snowdon, but Northumberland I've never really wanted to visit before, but how wrong was I?
Wow. I absolutely love it. You've got the coast, you've got all these jagged rocks.
And we are filming from, where are we filming from, Gemma?
Dunstanburgh?
Dunstanburgh Castle, yes, well done.
Well, that was a trick question. Watch Gemma muck up.
No, it's because there's various castles we're hoping to visit on this trip, and yeah, they've got names that we're not familiar with, so we're sort of having to remind ourselves all the time, aren't we?
Tomorrow we're going to Lindisfarne, aren't we?
Yes, the Holy Island. That should be fun, although the weather's not supposed to be so good tomorrow.
And what was the other one that we were
struggle.
planning to get in?
The Farne Island? Oh.
No, the other castle.
Oh, Bamburgh Castle.
Bamburgh Castle.
Bamburgh Castle, which is not like Dunstanburgh Castle, which is a ruins. Bamburgh Castle, I think, is quite as a complete castle, pretty much
go
complete.
In it, can't you?
Yeah, but I don't think we're going to. We're just
but you can go. Film. You can go in it.
But and we're going to finish off with a cheeky boat trip to the Farne Islands, aren't we, for some seabirds?
Yes, and we did want to talk about it that because most of our trip is castles. We to get a different point of view, we're getting the drones up.
We will be using the drones a lot.
Two drone family.
We are a two drone family, and this is where I have my. It wouldn't be a Rich and Gem vlog without me having a moan about something, would it? This is where I'm having my moan. Look at the sunny weather. Not really what I wanted, but
we were discussing it, and you want extreme stormy clouds, but completely dry, so
with no rain and no wind.
Photograph and get the drone up.
Stormy clouds, no rain and no wind. Is that too much to ask for?
Yeah,
that is, isn't it? Careful what we wish for, because like I said, the weather is supposed to turn tomorrow. So when we visit the Farne Island, when we visit Lindisfarne.
Oh, you'll get your stormy clouds. I don't know if you'll be able to photograph in them.
No, it's going to rain and be windy and stormy. But anyway, we're here. So we're going to have a little wander around on the beach and get the drones up.
Yeah.
And
we're looking, I don't know if you can see, but you'll be able to see because we'll have footage of it. We are looking at possibly getting a photo near the yellow gorse bushes. When the sun hits, it creates these lovely light and shadows and lights up the castle.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to looking at the castle to the right of the castle, see if there's a composition there. And Richard is keen to go all the way to the back and get to the beach.
Only because most of the images I've seen of the castle are from the other side.
What do you call that bit? The individual?
The rampart. The other side, though, has only got one rampart visible. I don't know how easy you can see it. The one on the very left at the back, you can see, that's the only thing that's visible from the back of the castle. But again, we're just going to have a wander around and see what we can get. But the weather conditions are lovely if you're here for a day trip, but not great for photography at the minute. But that is what it is.
That's what's so good about the minus you moaning about the weather. That's what's so good about the drones, because we can literally get them up, go around the entire castle and see what points are possible for us to photograph. And
we can chase the light, can't we, with the drones as well? Pick out the various points of the sky. So anyway, that's enough of us waffling. So
we're not waffling.
I'm waffling. We're gonna get to it.
Yeah.
I'm liking this first image because I'm trying to basically, in the scene, there's a lot of grass there, which is not adding anything to the scene at all. So then I noticed this lovely grass in front. So trying to make a layered image with the grass is the foreground, the gorse and the castle is the mid and longish interest, and then there's actually some nice stormy clouds come over, which is right on time. And every now and again we get some lovely light where it hits the hits the castle. So that's quite a nice first composition, and one I've not really seen much. Doing a bit of research before we came, I haven't really seen many images from this viewpoint, so it's quite a pleasing image. I'm not 100% sure I'm liking that. I'm trying, maybe if I get down a little bit lower perhaps with my next shot.
I did try and get you to have a view come here. You've got a leading line all the way.
Yeah, I'm now just going to have a look and see what Jem's talking about. I might change the composition and get it slightly lower to cut that grass out. So I've moved the camera about a metre to the right, changed the composition slightly, but what I did also forget to mention is I'm having to focus stack because I'm not getting sharpness front to back, because the grasses I'm shooting are half a metre from the front of the lens and the castle is obviously in the distance. So even shooting at f14, which I am, or f16 I think, is still not sharp front to back. The Z6 has got focus stacking built in, but to be fair, I prefer to do it manually. It's just a case of taking one image focused on the grasses and one image focused on the castle, and then just stacking them, blending them in Photoshop. Jem is... Well, you see those two people in the shot down there. Jem, I thought, went round there somewhere. I'm going to head off and try and find Jem. The light keeps coming and going, but I have my stormy clouds, or my clouds that I was hoping for, so far so good. I'll go and find Jem. We're done.
Yeah, we saw a barn owl, didn't we?
did,
in broad daylight.
The closest barn owl we've seen for a little while without having cameras to take pictures of it. It was hovering.
You've just seen a Mustang?
Possibly a P51 Mustang
we've
fly
had a
over. It was
really nice
something of
time.
that era. Everyone was looking at it. It didn't look like a British plane. It's very nice. Like I said, I got my wish in the end with the cloud. We definitely got more cloud over the castle, which was nice. And every now and again the light
when we were walking,
the
it was
light
just blue sky, wasn't it?
blew over, didn't it? Which was nice. So that was nice. Yeah.
Normal settings, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I had to go higher because I wanted a tiny bit of a longer exposure when I was near the water. So I had to go to f22 just to increase that, because my new fancy filter system does the cross, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, the cross of death that you don't want.
Yeah.
With variable ND filters.
But it's so light and versatile. That's the Revo ring. Maybe we'll show that on one of the vlogs.
Yeah.
It's a really nice bit of kit. So you'll see us tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to Lindisfarne and Bamborough.
Hopefully Bamborough.
Yeah, but definitely Lindisfarne. Lindisfarne is the main trip tomorrow.
Yes.
Yep. So until then,
see you later.
hope you enjoyed this. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.